of a different video for you today. It's going to be more of an unfiltered, unscripted update, if you like, on where we are. Obviously we're out here at the moment in the middle of a farmer's field in Hertfordshire, but tomorrow that changes. Tomorrow we're heading to Morocco and I've got some things I want to tell you. It's Sunday the 1st of September. I guess that means unofficially it's the first day of autumn, and of course that means I want to get out of here. I've brought my drone to this farmer's field. I want to get some cool shots from my new channel that I'm going to speak to you about a little bit later on. Really for me today, I just wanted to do a bit of an update, if you like, on where we are, what we're doing and where we're going, because this week's going to be pretty cool. Just going to turn this hat around as well. I can tell it's very bright but also very dark on my face. You can't really see me otherwise. But yeah, I've been back in the UK now for a week. It's crazy, the time has absolutely flown by. Yeah, having just got back from America, you can imagine I've had lots of fun this week with my drone, with my family. We've of course been getting up to lots of flying in lots of cool places. Of course I've brought this drone to continue to make these videos, to make cool videos while I'm in Asia, while I'm all over the world. I can't take it to Morocco, which is really annoying. Unfortunately, Morocco is one place you're not actually allowed to take a drone up in the air. You'll have it confiscated, and to be honest with you, I don't want to get my drone confiscated. Of course I landed back in the UK last Saturday. That was really nice. My mum, my dad and my dog came and picked me up from Gatwick Airport at about 6 o'clock in the morning. So Mum and Dad, if you're watching, thank you very much for doing that. Of course, I really appreciate it. Getting home was lovely. Of course, seeing my brother, seeing my nan and granddad, and of course seeing some friends as well. Of course, since having this drone, it's been really fun showing my friends my drone. As you can imagine, I actually saw my buddy Max on, I think it was Sunday night. We took my drone down the field, we took it and just got some amazing shots that I've actually now uploaded to my new channel. I wasn't sure how I was going to announce it, but I guess this is it. I've got a new channel called the Birdseye Blog. It's what it says on the tin. I make videos from a bird's eye angle and put it on my blog. The Birdseye Blog, that is my new drone flying channel. I post on Wednesdays and Sundays. Of course, I now post on this channel on Mondays and Thursdays. So if you like my videos on here, you enjoy my content, I'm hopeful that you're going to enjoy my content on there as well. Put a link down below. It'll be the first link under this video where you can check out that channel. I'm just going to be taking the drone all over the world, and I wanted a platform where I could really share all of my experiences. Of course, I can't take my drone with me to Morocco tomorrow, but I can take it next week to the Dominican Republic, and in just 1 month's time I'm taking a one-way flight to Manila in the Philippines. And of course I'm going to be flying my drone there, because why the hell not? El Nido, Palawan and Boracay and Siargao and everywhere else I'm going in the Philippines is going to be magical, and to capture it on this drone is going to be so cool. Sorry to start this video off with a bit of a sale, but there you go, that's the channel. Go and check it out. Let's get onto the update and why I came out here to this farmer's field in the first place. We're coming back, I can see it. Very bright day, a very nice day for September. It's currently 26 degrees, which is, yeah, not too bad. All but one of the videos on the East Coast road trip is now edited and uploaded to my channel, ready to be posted in the next coming months. I've been posting one video a week now for almost 6 months. I thought I could probably push myself a little bit harder and make it 2 videos a week, which is what has now started, and I'm really hopeful that you're enjoying that.
Return to home.
Right, you can probably hear that noise. I'm returning home. We've only got 6 minutes left of battery life and we're currently 612 meters away. So yeah, I'm not trying to get myself into any difficulty here. I'm gonna put the remote over here while we return home. And I guess when it's back over the top, we'll land it then. There it is, he's there. Brilliant, now we can land. Oh dear. See that? There you go. And we're landing. That probably wasn't the best idea, was it? Just landed her back on the haystack. Probably not the best idea I've ever had. Yeah, I just want to make sure it takes back off because it kind of chopped.
Take off.
Yeah, we're fine. actually the first time I've ever done that. I'm quite pleased I caught that.
Critically low battery warning.
There you go, we've got a critically low battery. That is no bueno. There we go, she's off, and that's the last flight until I'm home from Marrakesh. Of course, since getting home, I've had lots of fun with my drone, and my family and I, we actually went to a park in Ealing the other day, well, near Ealing, called Austerley Park. Now, Austerley Park is just on the outskirts of, I guess, the circumference that you can fly a drone near Heathrow Airport. Heathrow Airport being the largest airport in the UK, one of the busiest airports in the world. Got some really cool shots of the planes. I saw an A350, I saw a 777, a 787, and even a British Airways A380 coming in from Los Angeles. Let's cut that in here. Today I'm out here at Austerley Park. It's a park quite local to London Heathrow. I brought my drone, thankfully, but I didn't bring my camera because I was a little bit nervous I wouldn't even be able to fly the drone. Thankfully, we are just about on the outside of the massive great circumference around Heathrow Airport where you are not permitted to fly a drone, meaning we can take the drone up here and we're gonna see what we can see. I've had a look at flight radar. I know there is a British Airways A380, the largest aircraft, the largest passenger aircraft in the world, coming in about 20 minutes. I'm going to try and capture that with the drone, and I guess some other arrivals as well. We've got a Virgin, we've got an American Airlines too. We've got some wide bodies, or heavies if you like, coming in, and yeah, let's send the drone in the air and see what we can see. We've also got this massive Great Lake as well, so I'm going to put the drone above the water as well. We'll see what we can find, and yeah, roll the tape. I hope you enjoy. So yeah, there you have it. That was my time at Austerley Park. As you could see, I didn't take my camera with me. I didn't think I'd need to. I didn't think the view was going to be half as good as it was, but it was. So the clip you saw in there was from my phone. I obviously used that as an emergency just to capture a bit of where we were and what we were doing. And yeah, had a great day. If you're in the area, you're not too far from Heathrow, I definitely recommend you check out Austerley Park. There's like a nice cafe there. We got an ice cream, got a coffee, and yeah, a nice plate of nachos as well. It wasn't too bad, and yeah, to capture the airplanes on my drone as well was absolutely wicked. I yeah, just wish you could fly a little bit closer. How cool would that be? Again, this week is just comprised of catching up with friends. I've been out of the country for 3 months and it's not long until I depart again. Of course, I didn't just want to take my camera everywhere I went. That would be awkward and annoying, but here we are. I guess that brings us to today. Today I am getting my hair cut. As you can tell, I need a haircut. I haven't had my hair cut now for over 2 months, which is probably the longest I have ever gone. Getting a haircut in the States is extremely expensive. It's practically double what you'd pay in the UK. On the 2nd of July, I had a haircut in Binghamton in New York State in the US. It was $55 plus tip.
It's £41.89.
£41.80 for a haircut, and it wasn't even a good haircut. I'm then going to go and see my nan, and then I'm seeing Max once more before I head to Morocco, as there's only 4 days between Morocco and the Dominican Republic with him. Of course, we've got some things to book. We want to book Isla Saona, or Saona Island, and also the hotel the night before. Of course, going from Gatwick is a little bit of a trek from where we are here in Hertfordshire. We want to be prepared, and that is what we're going to be booking this afternoon. But yeah, that's going to be about it really for today's video. I appreciate you watching and coming along for the drone flying. Of course, once more, if you want to check out my dedicated drone channel, the Birdseye Blog, you can. It's going to be the first link down in the description below. I'm going to be posting on Wednesdays and Sundays, simultaneously with Mondays and Thursdays on this channel. So, of course, if you like what you see here, I'm hopeful you'll like what you see on there. Not really sure if there's going to be any narration. It's literally just started. It hasn't got any subscribers, and it has one video at the moment with 14 views. You go check that out and go show some support. I would be extremely grateful. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I really appreciate you coming along, and I'll see you tomorrow bright and early. Well, it won't be bright because it will be about 2 o'clock in the morning. It will still be pitch black outside, but I'll see you in the morning at Gatwick Airport.